Hello, and welcome to Do It in the Dark, a step-by-step guide to developing black and white film in the darkroom. Follow along, and you'll learn by the end of this class how to develop film in the darkroom, all on your own. You will need an exposed roll of film, a tank and reel, scissors and a can opener, gloves to protect your hands, a measuring container, and the necessary chemicals. You'll have to do these next steps completely in the dark, using a changing bag like this, or in complete darkness. Open your film canister with the can opener, prying around the metal lip. The cap will pop off, then pull the film out attached to its spool. Hold on to the end and let the roll fall freely. Grab the leader and cut it off. Hold the end of the film and let the rest of the spool loosely fall. Pinch the sides of the film slightly and slide it into the reel. Pull the film through and check that it does not slide back out. Begin rotating the reel back and forth. The film will advance onto the reel. When the spool meets the reel, snip it off with some scissors and let it fall to the ground. Finish rotating the reel until all the film is on. Grab your tank and remove the lid. Place the center part inside, all the way down. Place your film inside the tank and push it all the way down to the bottom. This is important because all the chemicals need to reach all of the film. Close the tank with the funnel-like top. Turn and lock. Double check that it is secure. Now you can turn the lights back on. The first chemical you need is developer. My favorite is Ilford DDX. Pour the properly diluted developer into the tank. Replace the lid and make sure the seal is tight. Set your timer for 8 minutes. Each developer will be different in how much time it requires. Agitate by rotating the tank back and forth for the first 30 seconds. Then agitate for 10 seconds every minute from then on. When the time is up, pour out the developer and dispose of properly. Most developers are one-shot and can't be reused. Next, you'll need your stop bath, properly diluted and mixed. Pour the stop bath into the tank. Replace the cap and set the timer for 30 seconds. Agitate for the entire 30 seconds. Pour the stop bath out and save it for another roll. This chemical is reusable. Fixer is the next step, which comes in a concentrate and must be diluted. Pour the fixer into the tank. Replace the lid and set the timer for 7 minutes. Agitate for the first 30 seconds. Then, agitate for 5 seconds every 30 seconds thereafter. When the timer ends, pour the fixer out and save it for another day. This chemical is also reusable. The next chemical is hypoclear, which comes in a powder and will need to be mixed. Pour the diluted hypoclear into the tank and seal it up. Set the timer for 2 minutes and agitate for the entire time. After the timer ends, pour out the hypoclear and dispose of properly. This cannot be reused. Now the film needs to be washed. There are many methods to choose from, but I'll show you the easiest way. Fill and empty the tank with fresh, running water 10 times. The next step is to prepare the film for drying. Add a few drops of PhotoFlow to some water and fill the tank. Instead of agitating, remove the lid grab the centerpiece and dip and dunk the film a few times. At this point, your film is ready to inspect, and you can see all your beautiful images. Hang it up to dry for at least an hour. Now you know how to develop black and white film all on your own in the darkroom. Thank you for watching.